Nissan, like most other manufacturers, is trying to find a balance between keeping its current lineup of cars relevant and competitive while looking towards the future and, more importantly, electrifying its product range. Stuck in the middle of these two extremes sits the Nissan Murano, a midsize crossover that makes up a significant chunk of Nissan's overall sales. Pricing for the 2022 model has just been announced. It may have all of the modern luxury and safety kit, as well as a stunning, swooping exterior, but it can't hide its old bones. The Nissan Murano will continue for the 2022 with no significant changes. The current Murano design has been around since 2015, but it's still an expressive midsize crossover with a premium feel inside. A refresh brought LED exterior lighting, new wheels, and an optional midnight black trim package with 20-inch wheels, and the Nissan Safety Shield 360 driver assistance system became standard on most models last year. The Murano's cabin is among the nicest, most well-equipped interiors in this comparison, and is more luxe than most of the other Nissan products. The only other change is that the mid-range SV trim gains heated front seats with faux leather upholstery. Our Platinum test vehicle wore soft leather on the seats, door panels, and armrests, with a sweeping dashboard design divided by a band of dark teak wood trim. The interior of the 2022 Murano also includes features such as advanced zero-gravity front and outboard rear seating and an optional panoramic sunroof. All Murano models feature an 8.0-inch color touchscreen display running Nissan's Nissan Connect infotainment system. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM with travel-link weather and traffic updates also are now standard across the range. Under hood, the Murano is powered by a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 260 horsepower. Power is set to the front or all four wheels via an Xtronic transmission with D-step logic. The Environmental Protection Agency estimates the Murano will earn 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, and Nissan offers a slew of standard driver assistance technology on all models.